Hey guys, Mark here. So what's a deduction? A deduction in English is a guess, right? If I say, where is my friend? He might be taking a taxi, he might be on the train, he might be busy. What's he doing right now? I don't know, I'm making a guess. We can use must if we're very confident about our guess. If we're 90% sure about a guess, we can use must for my guess. Oh, you must be a new student. I see you come into school. I've never seen you before, right? You're carrying a book, right? You're carrying the English file upper intermediate student book. You're smiling. You say, hi, my name's Donovan. And I'm like, hey, Donovan, what's up? You must be a new student, right? Pretty easy. And then, why is she late? Oh, she must be stuck in traffic, right? She's usually on time, so she must be stuck in traffic if she's late, right? I'm making a strong guess using must. So that's all. See ya.